So here we are at problem 3z, the limit as x approaches 0 of this particular expression. Now, and just looking at this expression, it looks incredibly intimidating. You have 2 raised to the x, you got trig, you got x to the 4th on the bottom, and there's just a lot of things going on here. Now, if you went ahead, though, and tried plugging 0 in, it does kind of make things a little bit easier, because all if you do is you'd have 2 raised to the 0 plus sine of just 0 all over 0 raised to the 4th, and just kind of breaking these down. 2, or any number really, raised to the 0 power is just 1 for that first piece. Plus, the sine of 0 is just 0, so that doesn't really change anything. The issue, though, that we have is where we have the 0 raised to the 4th. That's going to give us that 0, or undefined part that we always kind of hate in math. And unfortunately, kind of just direct evaluation doesn't quite work. And even just looking and thinking about just algebraic techniques, they're incredibly difficult to do, basically kind of almost impossible. But one thing that we can do is, in fact, actually just look at the graph and see what's going on at 0. And we notice this is, in fact, the image of 0, or that particular expression. There is, in fact, a vertical asymptote at 0. And unfortunately, because there is no, because there's that vertical asymptote there, the limit as you approach from the left and as you approach from the right, it's not going to quite exist there. So this solution would actually be does not exist. The limit does not exist. But more specifically, we can at least say that it is moving toward positive infinity. So for right now, I would actually take either answer, whichever one you wrote down. So again, that is problem 3z from the AP Summer Packet.